Hello guys, a very welcome to your own YouTube channel Guruji for High School. Today this video is I'm going to deliver in English language because this channel is basically for the Hindi medium students where I used to teach the mathematics in Hindi language. But today's this video is in English language. Why? Because in today's video I'm just going to solve an equation of mathematics. Basically that is not related to mathematics, but it is related to some fun or some entertainment. So this video is made for only for the entertainment or for the fun. So that's why I just want to share this video to all over the world. People from all over the world can watch this video and can enjoy or can entertainment with the help of watching this video. So that is why I just made this video in English language. But basically in Hindi language students or Hindi language people, they can understand this video. Beneath of this video you can see the translation is coming in Hindi language. So guys, what is the thing in this video? Today I'm going to solve or I'm going to prove an equation. Basically that is not related to mathematics, but we will solve that equation with the help of formula of some mathematics. So let's start and check at the board what is the exact question is. So guys, you can say at the board there's an equation I have written here, that is PA equal to MA. Means we have to prove you can see here I have written here, prove that Papa equal to Mama. We have to solve this equation, that is Papa equal to Mama. But guys, I'm again telling you, this is not real. This is just a fake equation. This is just for entertainment. This is just for fun. So you can share this video with your friends and just have an entertainment or have just fun. So let's say we have to prove Papa equal to Mama. So what is the things a mathematician, the power of mathematics or the power of a mathematician or the power of a student who is related to mathematics? So what he will do, he will check some axioms or some principle of mathematics, including some principle of science. So you can say we know that the definition of a pressure, as in physics, pressure. So what is the pressure? Pressure is called the force applied on per unit area. Means at per unit area the applied force is called pressure. It means we can write it is P equal to F upon A. P equal to F upon A. So we can write A will multiply by P. So P into A equal to F. That is F. You can write this. This is F. So this is equation number first. PA equal to F. I'm again saying this is not real, but it is just for fun. I'm just using some formula or some equations of mathematics and science to prove Papa equal to Mama. It is just for fun. Huh? So now you can say PA equal to F. We have the equation number first. Now see, again according to Newton's law, we know the force equal to, mass into acceleration. It means force F equal to mass m into acceleration A. We have written, because we have all the words here or all the letters here in capital letters, Papa and Mama, so we will take all the letters in capital, that is F equal to m into A. So that is equation number second. Now you can see from the equation number first and equation number second, you can see the right hand side of equation number first is equal to F, and the left hand side of equation number 2 is F. It means the right of this and the left of this are equal. So it means the other sides of these two equations will also be equal. So it means if F equal to P into A and F equal to M into A, it means PA equal to MA. So from equation number 1 and 2, we can write PA equal to MA. Now you can see we have reached somewhere into our answer, that is pa equal to ma. But again it is not papa equal to mama. So what we'll take the square of both sides. We take the square of both sides. So it means pa square equal to ma whole square. So what does the square represent? That is, square means 2 times multiplication. It means if the square of pa is here, it means we can write this pa into pa, and again that is ma whole square, that is means 2 times ma into ma. So that is papa equal to mama, and hence proved. The equation what we have to prove, that is papa equal to mama, that is we have reached here, we have found here papa equal to mama only with the help of these two equations, pressures and force. Friends, I'm again saying this is not real, this is typically fake equations, fake solution. It is nothing related to the physics and nothing related with the mathematics. It is just an assumption of the formula of pressure and the formula of force, that is Newton's law. So it means we have used only two equations, the pressure and the force, Newton's law, and with the hatch patch of these two equations we have proved papa equal to mama. So we have found the equations papa equal to mama. So friends, I'm again telling, this is not real, this is fake, this is just for entertainment, this is just for fun. So I request you, please don't take it otherwise. It is just an assumption and just the playing with the words and playing with the formula, nothing more than it. Okay guys, so just share with your friends and have a fun. So this is for all today. We'll see you in the next video with the new question or with the new knowledge. Till then, bye bye.